Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to another video about learning the Russian language. In our last couple of videos, we talked about possession and how to say that in Russian. In this video, we're going to do a review because it's been a while since our last review video and we've learned quite a few topics since. We learned about food. We learned how to pluralize nouns, we learned about possession, and we learned two noun cases, accusative and genitive. Then there were three new verbs, to go, to want, and to eat. So that's a lot of knowledge, and it's a good idea to take some time and review to make sure that you really have all of this down. If I were you, I'd use this video to test yourself. Go watch all of the previous videos, learn all of that vocabulary and all of that knowledge, and then come back here to make sure that you're where you need to be. Okay? So, let's do some translation practice. Translate these sentences from English to Russian. The first one is, I want to eat rice. How would you say that in Russian? So if you said, Я хочу есть рис, or Я хочу кушать рис, give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, there are two ways to say to eat in Russian. There's есть and there's кушать. Either one is perfectly acceptable. Кушать is a little more informal, sometimes even considered slang, although it is the most common way to say it in everyday conversation. Есть is formal and proper, but either one is perfectly fine. How about they want to eat chicken and potatoes? How would you translate that? Они хотят есть курицу и картошку. Or они хотят кушать курицу и картошку. So remember, chicken and potatoes are going to be in accusative case. That's why it's not курица, it's курицу. And it's not картошка, it's картошку. Okay? Alright, next sentence. We eat green vegetables. How would you say that? You would say, мы кушаем зеленые овощи. Or, мы едим зеленые овощи. Okay, next one. Do you eat ice cream? Do you eat ice cream? How would you say that? Ты кушаешь мороженое? Or, ты ешь мороженое? How about, my sisters don't eat fish? It would be, мои сестры не кушают рыбу. Or, мои сестры не едят рыбу. Does your grandpa want a sandwich? Ваш дедушка хочет бутерброд? Okay, next we have Anna and Sasha are going to sleep. How would you say that in Russian? Anna и Sasha идут спать. I'm going to eat soup. Я иду кушать суп. Or, я иду есть суп. Next, he has red apples. How would you say that? У него красные яблоки. Do you have bananas? У тебя есть бананы? Misha doesn't have cucumbers. So remember, cucumbers is огурцы. And since we're talking about lack of possession, both Misha and cucumbers are going to be in genitive case. У Миши нет огурцов. So огурцы became огурцов in genitive case. Remember, when it's plural, of is one of the three possible endings. I have sausages. So in this case, since it's actual possession, not lack of possession, sausages will remain in nominative case. So у меня есть сосиски. This is mom's sister. Это сестра мамы. So remember, sister comes first. Opposite of English. In English, it's mom's sister. In Russian, it's sister mom's. The order matters, so make sure you have that down. Doctors' houses are big. Дома врачей большие. So again, houses came first. And since doctors is in genitive case, we added the A ending. Дома врачей большие. Now let's practice pluralizing nouns. So the first one we have is окно, which means window. Окно. And that becomes окна, right? Because it's a neutral noun. So remember, if it ends in o, it's probably neutral. If it ends in a, it's probably female. And if it ends in a consonant, it's probably male. So next one, дедушка. Even though that ends in an a, we know that grandpa is male. But we're going to treat it as if it was female because it ended in a, so it'll be дедушки. Next, конфета, that's candy. It's female. Конфеты. Дом, that's house and it's male. Дома. Яйцо, that's egg and it's neutral. Яйца. And then chai, that is tea, and it is male. It'll become chai, teas. Okay, let's pluralize a few more. Fruct, that means fruits. It'll be fructe. Sir, that is cheese. It'll be sыри. Торт, that's cake. Торты. Хлеб, that's bread. Even though it's male, this is an exception, it will be хлеба. Хлеба. Okay. Пирог, that means pie. It's going to be пироги. And then finally, orange, апельсин. That's going to be апельсины. Alright, very good job. That is it for our review number 2. If you got most of these sentences right, then you're in really good shape to move on. And if you struggled with some of these, go back and review my previous videos. They are all titled, named after the topic that they teach. So hopefully you have an idea of where your weaknesses are. And in the next video, we're going to move on and learn some new nouns. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave some comments, tell me what you want to see next, or just say hi and subscribe. I post new videos every week. We learn Russian from scratch and we do it in a fun way. So have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye!